Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy homemade spaghetti sauce that will taste better than anything you can buy at the store. It may sound intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's actually super simple. But first, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new recipes. Let's get started! Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of sage, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, and 3/4 cup of grated Romano or Parmesan cheese. Begin by adding the olive oil to a large skillet or saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and the ground beef. Heat and stir the onions and beef until no longer pink. Drain if necessary. Next, add the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and water to the meat and onions. Stir to combine. After mixing in the tomatoes, it's time for the spices. Add the garlic, oregano, basil, rosemary, sage, thyme, red pepper flakes, sugar, beef bouillon, and grated Romano or Parmesan cheese. Mix together, then allow the sauce to simmer on the stove for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to add the pasta. We like to add the pasta directly to the pot of sauce, but feel free to serve it however your family likes it. Now it's ready to be served to your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for homemade spaghetti sauce. The full list of ingredients and instructions will be down in the description of this video, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss a recipe upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.